Hey there, fellow Navy Federal members. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to easily view your card numbers on the Navy Federal app in 2025. Whether you're making a purchase online, setting up a new account, or just need a quick reference, knowing how to access this info can save you time and hassle. Plus, with the app's latest updates, it's more secure and user-friendly than ever. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Navy Federal app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Navy Federal Credit Union, and download the latest version. It's free for members. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. For added security, the app might prompt you for a two-factor authentication code, so keep an eye on your phone or email. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Cards tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your linked cards, like your debit or credit cards. Select the card you want to view by tapping on it. Here's where the magic happens. On the card details page, there should be an option to view card number or something similar. In the 2025 update, this feature is even easier. Just tap the eye icon to reveal the full number. If it's blurred for security, a simple tap or swipe will uncover it. One quick tip: always log out after you're done, especially if you're using a shared device, to keep your info safe. Also, remember that Navy Federal prioritizes your privacy, so these numbers might not be fully visible until you verify your identity. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly see your card numbers on the Navy Federal app in 2025. It's straightforward, secure, and takes less than a minute once you're familiar with it. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay smart and secure out there. Thanks for watching.